How to use objective alignments in UpRaise. I've already navigated to the objectives and key results screen under the UpRaise app. And in there, I've navigated to the hierarchy tab. Before we jump into the UpRaise focus discussion, let's first understand what the concept of OKR alignment is. OKRs are meant to support the top level goal, the organization level goal that your executive team has set up, right? Meaning everything that a team does or everything that an individual does in one way or the other should support the achievement of top level goals, top level OKRs that you have agreed to achieve. Now, obviously, there could be some exceptions. For example, if you are setting up individual development focused goals at personal level, then that is completely fine. But at a broader level, all you're doing is you're ensuring there is alignment between company level, team level, and individual level goals. It's easier said than done. There are two types of alignments. One alignment is wherein the lower level objective has an impact on the progress percentage of higher level objective. And then second type of alignment is, we call it the directional alignment, wherein the lower level objective is contributing to a higher level objective, but does not have any kind of impact on the progress percentage. Both the possibilities exist within the scope of UpRaise. In order to show you how the alignments appear within the hierarchy view, I have kept it open. So I'll just click on this expand one level action, and you will immediately see this company level objective, or as we call it, the corporate level objective, is receiving contribution from three different team level objectives. Right? So the nomenclature here is the higher level objective is receiving contribution from these three team level objectives, whereas these three lower level objectives are contributing to this corporate level objective. How do you create those alignments? Let's come to that in a moment. Let's first understand at which places these alignments will appear within UpRaise. Now, first is obviously this hierarchy view and the explorer view, wherein you will be able to see different alignments in a single glance. You will also be able to see the alignments in this objective detail page, this objective alignment section on the right hand side. This is visual representation of those alignments, and then you've got a separate alignment section on the objective detail page where you can filter them down, where you can add new ones, and so on. Now let's understand how you can add new alignments. Like I said, there are two types of alignments: contributes to, receives contribution from. Right now, we are on a corporate level objective, and it is receiving contribution from three lower level team objectives, right? So when looking at this one, the alignment section has one area which calls out receives contribution from. So this one, and this one, these three objectives are contributing to the current company level objective. If I were to look at this one here, this one is a team level objective, and you'll notice it contributes to the company level objective. The idea is very simple. When you create an alignment between A and B, that alignment appears as contributes to in one of the lower level, in one of the objectives, which is at a lower level. And when you're looking at the higher level objective, it appears as receives contribution from, right? So how do you go about adding these alignments? You decide which type of alignment do you want to create. That's the first step. So let's say right now you are on a team level objective. So you want to make it contribute to another objective. You'll notice I'm offered suggestions. I can either pick one of the suggestions that the system shows up, or I can search or create new objectives to which the current objective will contribute. As far as the directional alignment and an alignment that has an impact on progress calculation is concerned, that is dictated by the weightage of this alignment. If the weightage is non-zero, then that will mean there is an impact on the progress percentage. However, if the weightage is zero, then that will mean this is just a directional alignment, and any change in the progress percentage of lower level objective will not have any bearing on the higher level objectives progress percentage. The same pop-up will appear even if you are trying to create an alignment wherein the lower level, you're trying to choose a lower level objectives that will contribute to this one. Now you'll notice there are no suggestions in here because in our instance, there are no individual level objectives. I can still go on and create new ones, but the overall idea is you can have these hierarchy as corporate level objectives, team level objectives, individual level objectives. If there are multiple layers in between based on team type, then they'll appear between corporate and individual. That is how alignments work within the scope of UpRaise. You have a few reports surrounding alignments. We'll talk about them separately. You also have the alignments filter on the browse OKR screen. So for example, if I click on create view, click on show more, the last filter that is displayed on the screen is objective alignment, which lets you identify objectives that are either contributing to other objectives or receiving contribution from other objectives and so on. So it will easily help you find out which objectives are not yet aligned to any other ones. I hope that was helpful. Thank you.